We vibe temp, hot or cold on your skin. Heat it up, cool it down, let the pleasure begin. Feel the vibes, all the thrills just right. Get it at Pink Lifestyle tonight, tonight. Pink Lifestyle.
This vlog is brought to you by We Vibe Temp. It is the world's first lay-on vibrator that changes the temperature from hot to cold or cold to hot. So if you want to try, the link is just down below. It is now available at Pink Lifestyle. So anyway, I've been with Pink Lifestyle for quite some time. I think since 2024, I have been doing blog reviews for them for the toys. So ito naman is like, I did also a reel for them. So panoorin natin.
Hey Singapore, are you ready for something totally new? I'm about to show you a product that heats and cools. But first, let's see if people can guess what is it.
Hi everyone, I am out today and I am here to check what everybody thinks of the new We Vibe Temp. So it's just at my pocket and I'm here to ask people around.
I'm gonna show you something and you have to guess what is it.
Ooh, what is this?
What is this?
This is speaker?
Mouse. Mouse? Harder.
No!
Clicker? Mouse.
Vibes. Like vibrator.
What if I tell you it's a vibrator?
Vibrator.
It's the brand new We Vibe Temp, the world's first heating and cooling lay-on vibrator. Perfect for foreplay, couples, and anyone who loves a little fire and ice.
What if I tell you if it's a vibrator that changes its temperature from hot to cold? What's your first reaction?
I also don't know. I never used this before.
You think you are okay to try?
Yes, why not?
So, teka lang naman, wala akong lipstick kanina. Ay ko, ang putla ako. So, kagaya ko din ba kayo na pag nagli-lip tint, lampas-lampas. Tapos, yung sobra sa daliri, nilalagli sa pisngi hanggang sa pilik mata. Sure ako, nasisig ganito, kagaya ko din. Kasi ayaw naman may residue. But anyway, naka-on ba ang aking mic? Oo, naka-on. Parang naka-on naman siya, di ba? Okay, anyway. Bilang isang vlogger, alam nyo na mahirap pala tong interview style. I realized kasi parang yun yung hinihingi nung brand. So sabi ko, especially interview style, tapos sinabi ko nga kay Sig, sis, tulungan mo naman ako, bla bla bla, ganyan. Kasi interview style, wala halos pumayag dahil ano nga siya, adult toy siya. So hindi naman green yung vlog parang hindi naman siya ganun kamalisyoso. It's all about fun. So parang sabi ko, okay, ayaw. Alam nyo ba ang nangyari? Meron akong mga in-offeran. Tapos parang mayroong ibang game. Kaso parang hindi yata kami natuloy na busy kami. And then after that, so hindi na ako nag-offer, ganyan. Tapos sabi ko, gagawin ko na lang ng paraan. So iniisip ko that time. Then, just nice, nangyari yung Alex Calleja na show. And then doon, parang game yung mga tao. Tapos alam mo, natuwa yung brand, pinagbibigyan ng token of appreciation yung nandun sa yung may mga exposure. Yung mga maximum mga exposure. Ang galing nga eh. So, 'di ba, hindi naman siya you will never know the opportunity that is there. Parang if no ka lang ng no, you will never know na no, tapos no. Okay. Opportunities are there for you to take. If you refuse, edi okay. But as long as it's there, tapos hindi ka naman mapapahamak, then go lang. But I understand those naman na humindi sa akin beforehand. Siguro hindi nila akalain na ganito kalinis yung na all about fun lang yung magiging result. Na parang papaulaan ko lang, or guess what's this? Ganun lang. Pero actually, it was fun. May mga bloopers pa nga yun eh. Mga sinasabi na, "Uy, hinugasan mo ba ito bago mo inabot sa akin?" Grabe, tawang-tawa ako. I'm so happy na napapalibutan ako now ng mga Filipino content creators, na mga creative talaga and supportive. And I'm trying to look at other opportunities na gusto ko pang gawin. And makikita natin. Ayoko na i-disclose kasi dapat private muna if may mga naiisip kang ideas and opportunities, unless na-execute mo na and kailangan mo nang i-market, dun mo na lang i-broadcast.
Here's behind the scenes clip.
Okay, may papakita ko sa inyo tapos hulaan nyo kung ano. Ano to?
Mouse.
Vibe.
Mouse.
Paano ko sabihin ko what is a vibrator?
Diba? Ito yung clicker?
No!
Yeah.
It's a vibrator. Nasa bulsa ko lang.
Hinugasan mo ba ito bago mo binigay sa akin?
Hindi pa gamit yan. Oo, but this one changes temperature.
Ayan. So, lately mga be, alam nyo ba na nai-enjoy kong kumain mag-isa? And I've never thought I would experience that. Kasi all this time parang takot ako kumain mag-isa sa labas. And recently, na nagda-dine out ako, tapos nag-wine ako, tapos I really eat good food, tapos dinner. Tapos sabi ko, oh my God, nai-enjoy ko, parang nililook forward ko siya pag pauwi na ako. Parang feeling ko, addictive siya for me. So sabi ko, kagabi, nag-dine out na naman ako. Last night was at Ramen Ippudo, parang ganun. So, super na-enjoy ko yung meal ko. I ate, basta may truffle siya. Pag may nakita kasi yung truffle sa menu, tas di ako makaisip ng gusto ko talaga. Sinesele ko usually may truffle na eh, kasi sure na masarap. And then, just a mocktail, and yun. Na-enjoy ko siya. I'm not sure if I'm enjoying the time alone. Kasi solemn siya. Though, nag-Netflix ako, ganyan, habang nanonood. And, minsan, dun ako nakakaisip ng ideas. Alam mo yun. And, the fact na wala akong pakialam sa mga tao sa paligid, it feels empowering. And happy lang ako na kaya ko to. And I've never thought in my whole life na magagawa ko to. Na nai-enjoy ko na mag-dine out alone. Like yung, for example, sabihin, table for one. Parang gano'n. Tapos parang, one? One only? Gano'n sila. Meron namang mga advantages when you eat alone. Ano-ano ba yon?
First is, you can eat exactly what you want. So, hindi mo kailangan na isipin yung mga kasama mo. You don't have to compromise. Second, you get a chance to slow down. So, it's time to do mindful eating. Kasi, diba, with mindful eating, it helps with digestion, prevents overeating, and it helps you appreciate the flavors more. Pangatlo, it's a break for your brain. Walang pressure to perform in conversations or kahit mag-contribute sa conversation, it's just you and your thoughts at kung ano man trip mong gawin.
So, eto ako kahapon, kumakain mag-isa sa labas. But you know what? It's okay. And it's very highly recommended. Dapat once in your life, maranasan mo yan. And I assure you that it feels empowering, lalo na dun sa mga hindi sanay mag-isa.
Riley and Big Red, two sisters vlogging their hearts out. They'll do the 1,000 vlogs challenge with family and friends all around.